Our two sea turtles are rescues from the Atlantic Ocean, and so our loggerhead sea turtle is from Georgia, and then our green sea turtle is from Florida. Our loggerhead sea turtle is named Gabby, and she came with that name from the Sea Turtle Hospital. And then our green sea turtle, she doesn't really have a name. The Sea Turtle Hospital gave her the name Hobie TC, but we just call her Green. Our green sea turtle is about 25 years old, and our loggerhead sea turtle is about 15. Our sea turtles are unique animals because they're reptiles, but they're marine organisms, so they live underwater, but they breathe air, so they come up regularly to breathe. The largest difference between our two sea turtles is one is a carnivorous sea turtle, so her diet is primarily crabs, shrimp, and fish, whereas our other sea turtle is mainly herbivorous, and so she eats green vegetation. They have different preferences of food, just due to their natural history. Our green sea turtle, she's not a fan of kale. She refuses to eat it, but it's good for her, so we give her that opportunity every week. She'll push it around the tank, and eventually when she gets hungry now, she'll eat it, but it's not her first choice. In the aquarium, they live in the shark habitat with a bunch of other sharks, fishes, and eels. Our sharks aren't dangerous to our sea turtles because they are not their natural prey items, so the sharks that would prey on our sea turtles are much larger and far bigger than we could house in this aquarium. So both of our sea turtles are deemed non-releasable by U.S. Fish and Wildlife, and that's due to buoyancy issues. So both sea turtles are positively buoyant, so without their weight pack, they would float at the surface and they'd be an easy target for prey, as well as they wouldn't be able to dive down for vegetation. So they have their backpacks to help them be able to forage for food and evade predators, but they do scratch them off regularly, so there's no one out there in the wild to keep putting their backpack back on, so that's why they live here.